Have you ever learned a new, obscure word, and then suddenly, you start hearing it everywhere? Or maybe you bought a new, specific model of car, and now it feels like every other car on the road is the exact same one. If this sounds familiar, you've experienced what's known as the Baader-Meinhof Phenomenon. Don't worry, it has nothing to do with the German militant group it was named after. That was just a coincidence from a newspaper letter to the editor back in the 90s. A more scientific name for it is the frequency illusion. So, what's actually going on here? Is the universe playing a trick on you? Not quite. It's all happening inside your brain, thanks to a tag team of two psychological processes. First, there's selective attention. Think of your brain as a bouncer at a club. It can't let every single piece of information in, or it would be total chaos. It has to be selective. When you learn something new, like the word ephemeral, or you become familiar with the design of a Mazda CX-5, your brain essentially gives that thing a VIP pass. It says, hey, this is important now, and subconsciously starts scanning for it in your environment. This is where the second process, confirmation bias, steps in to be selective attention's hype man. Confirmation bias is our natural tendency to favor information that confirms our existing beliefs. So, every time you see that new car or hear that new word after first learning it, your brain goes, see, I told you it was everywhere. Each sighting reinforces this newfound belief, making the frequency feel real and significant. It creates a feedback loop. You notice it, which makes you notice it more, which confirms it's everywhere. But here's the kicker. The frequency of that word or car hasn't actually increased. It was always there, chugging along at its normal rate. You just weren't tuned into that specific channel before. Your perception has changed, not the reality. It's like when you have a song stuck in your head. You're not hearing it more often on the radio. You're just primed to notice it every single time it plays. So, the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon is really just a fascinating peek into how our brains filter and process the world. It's a powerful reminder that what we focus on shapes our reality. The world isn't magically changing around you. Your brain has just opened a new file and is actively looking for more data to put in it. In short, it's your brain's way of saying, now that you've noticed it, you'll notice it everywhere. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this interesting, give this video a like, and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the weird and wonderful ways our minds work. See you in the next one.